Well, thank you for joining us here on Wilderness Weather. I'm meteorologist Thomas Gathright here on the afternoon of July 28, 2026. A severe thunderstorm watch has now been issued for parts of Virginia along and north of I-64. I already mentioned that one in southwest Virginia in the previous video, but we now have one for central and northern Virginia and areas north of Richmond as well. Eastern part of West Virginia, all of Maryland except for Garrett County and southern two-thirds of Delaware, as well as the southeastern tip of New Jersey there. And that will last us until about 10 this evening. Damage and straight line winds are the main concern, but you certainly can't rule out some hail, small hail, and even a weak tornado is possible as well, especially as these storms get east of I-95 later on this evening. So, and in fact, we have had some tornado warnings. There's one ongoing at the moment in southwest Virginia. It's working from Tazewell County into southwestern Bland and headed into Wythe County as well. That is an ongoing tornado warning that expires in about 9 minutes, so it's got a little bit of time left. As we track north and east, we have a severe thunderstorm warning working out of West Virginia into Craig County, Virginia, and we even had a tornado warning not too long ago in southern Highland County, which if you're familiar with Highland County, it's a little bit west of Stanton in the Allegheny Mountains, so not an area that typically sees tornado warnings. So certainly an unusual storm there, but that has been allowed to expire about 10 minutes ago, and we have some ongoing severe thunderstorm warnings working out of Bath into Rockbridge and Highland into Augusta County. So we'll keep an eye on this storm as it tracks eastward into the Piedmont. There's some other storms up here in southern Pennsylvania into northern Maryland that we're keeping an eye on. And I do want to point out here, even though there's not any storms kind of in the Shenandoah Valley here at the moment, you can see these storms getting ready to work into Shenandoah County there, starting to develop. And it wouldn't surprise me if some storms develop along the I-81 corridor in between Stanton and Shenandoah County. So we'll be keeping you posted on that as well. If some storms do work, some severe storms do develop and move eastward into central Virginia. But at the moment, we just have a severe thunderstorm watch. We'll be keeping you posted if there are any warnings issued for central Virginia. Thanks, and have a great and safe evening.